Hi everyone, welcome to the new video. In this video you will solve nice square root math Olympiad problem. Square root of 6 minus square root of 27. We have to simplify it without using a calculator. Before starting the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We will start the solution of this question. Square root 6 minus square root 27. We can write square root of 27 as square root of 3 into 9. 3 into 9 is 27. So square root 6 minus square root of 3 into 9. We know that square root of m times n is always equals to square root of m times square root of n. So it will be square root 6 minus square root of 3 and square root of 9, or 6 minus square root of 3 and square root of 9 can be written as 3 into 3. Now square root 6 minus square root of 3, this is square root of 3 square. Square cancel with the square root. We get 6 minus 3 times square root of 3. Now in the next step we will do a trick to solve it without a calculator. We will divide and multiply by 2, because 2 by 2 is equal to 1, so it will be square root of 2 by 2 times 6 minus 3 square root of 3. We are doing this for our easiness. We will multiply this 2 with both these terms. It will be 2 into 6, 12, minus 2 into 3 into square root of 3 all over this 2. Now here we can write this 12 as 9 plus 3 and this minus 2 times 3 times square root of 3 all over 2. Now we can write this 9 as 3 square and this 3 as a square root of 3 square, because square cancel square root, we back to the above step, and this added is minus 2 times 3 square root of 3 all over 2. As we know the formula that a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b is always equals to a plus b whole square. You can see that this is a square, this is b square, this is minus 2 times 3, this is 3 is a and square root 3 is b. This is the formula for a plus, and for the negative, a square plus b square minus 2ab equals a minus b whole square. So we will use this formula in the numerator. So this is the updated equation and we will use this formula in the numerator. It will be 3 minus square root of 3 whole square, square root all over 2. This square and this square root cancel. We get 3 minus square root of 3 over square root of 2, because this square root appears both on the numerator and denominator. Now we will multiply and divide by square root of 2 to eliminate this square root in the denominator. Square root 2 times 3 minus square root of 3, square root of 2 into square root of 2. Square root 2 times 3 is 3 square root 2 minus square root of 2 square root of 3, and square root of 2 multiply square root of 2 is square root of 2 square. The square cancel with the square root. So it will be 3 square root 2 minus square root of 2 into 3 all over 2. And we finally 3 square root 2 minus square root of 6 over 2. This is the final answer of this question. We have solved this without using a calculator. I hope you understand this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel and share it. Thank you for watching my video.